We will explore unique and captivating stories from notable areas and events in the automotive world. From legendary sports cars left behind in the restricted zone of Fukushima, still holding a mystical beauty amidst the desolation, to vibrant classic car and motorcycle events like the Barnsley Lock Park Classic Car Show, West Bay Classics 2024, and the Who Classic Car Show. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover and admire unforgettable moments and must-see vehicles. The Fukushima area, infamous for the 2011 nuclear disaster, is not only a region heavily impacted by radiation, but also a hidden treasure trove for car enthusiasts, particularly those passionate about sports cars and JDM, Japanese domestic market vehicles. Many cars left behind in this restricted zone have become symbols of abandonment and loss. Models like the Nissan Skyline GT-R R32, Toyota Supra, and other sports cars remain largely intact, despite weather damage and lack of maintenance. Filmmakers and photographers have ventured into the area to capture images of these vehicles, revealing their desolate state as they are overtaken by moss and rust. Access to the area is still restricted, with entry permitted only to those with special permission or those participating in guided tours. One of the largest and most well-known junkyards in the world is the one in Tonga, where over 2,000 abandoned cars have accumulated due to a lack of storage space. These vehicles are not just remnants of the past, they also stand as a testament to the waste of resources and environmental impact. Beyond Tonga, many other car junkyards around the world have captured the attention of researchers and explorers alike. These sites often contain thousands of old vehicles, ranging from classic models to more modern ones that have been left to decay. Today, various organizations are working to clean up and repurpose these cars, transforming them into useful products or even works of art. A massive muscle car collection has been discovered in Oklahoma, causing a stir in the classic car community. This collection includes hundreds of vehicles, with a significant focus on Chevrolet models, particularly the Chevelle SS396. These cars have been hidden away for decades, and now they are attracting the attention of collectors and car enthusiasts alike. According to vintage expert Patrick Glenn Nichols, this collection is not only diverse in terms of models, but also represents an important chapter in the history of the American automotive industry. Most of the vehicles in the collection date back to the 1960s and 1970s, the golden era of muscle cars. Collectors are eagerly awaiting the restoration and future use of these iconic vehicles. Way Out Salvage is a renowned Volkswagen junkyard located in Arkansas, celebrated as a paradise for vintage car enthusiasts. This salvage yard boasts hundreds of classic Volkswagen vehicles waiting to be restored, from iconic Beetles to other significant models. Notably, Way Out Salvage operates by appointment only, so if you plan to visit, be sure to contact them in advance to ensure you can explore this treasure trove. Here, you'll not only discover a range of classic cars, but also have the opportunity to meet fellow car enthusiasts eager to share their knowledge and experience in restoring Volkswagen vehicles. With its expansive space filled with vintage cars, Way Out Salvage is truly an ideal destination for those passionate about automotive culture and in search of unique items to restore or collect. The Barnsley Classic Car Show at Lock Park will take place on June 9, 2024, offering classic car enthusiasts a fantastic opportunity to admire and participate in one of the year's premier events. Organized by the Yorkshire Thoroughbred Car Club, this event will run from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Lock Park, a venue renowned for its lush greenery and beautiful scenery. This is the perfect chance for classic car owners to showcase their vehicles, from legendary models of the 1920s to more modern classics. In addition to the car displays, the event promises a variety of exciting activities, including meet and greets, games, and art exhibitions related to classic cars. Attendees will have the chance to connect with fellow enthusiasts, share experiences and knowledge about classic cars, and enjoy a lively festival atmosphere. Whether you're a classic car aficionado or simply looking to explore the fascinating world of automobiles, mark June 9th on your calendar and get ready for a day full of fun and celebration at Lock Park. West Bay Classics 2024 has concluded successfully with the participation of many talented teams. The competition not only attracted top athletes, but also created a vibrant and competitive atmosphere. This year's winning team, Plan B, achieved an impressive result with the heaviest recorded score of 21.32 pounds. The event was captured on video thanks to Landon Ewing, who shared these memorable moments and allowed viewers to experience the excitement of the competition. In addition to West Bay Classic, May also featured various other sports activities, including challenging cycling races that drew the attention of sports enthusiasts. The event promises to return next year, offering even more exciting experiences for athletes and spectators alike. The Who Classic Car Show, taking place on August 4th, 2024, is a notable event for classic car enthusiasts. Held at Who Village Recreation Ground, the show will run from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is a fantastic opportunity to admire stunning classic cars, mingle with fellow enthusiasts, and learn more about the history of these vehicles. In addition to viewing the cars, visitors can enjoy a variety of other exciting activities, including performances, games, and food stalls. The Who Classic Car Show promises to be an unmissable event. Who's Old Motor Club Classic Car and Motorcycle Show will take place on August 4th, 2024, at Who Village Recreation Ground, TN 33 9HR. This event promises a delightful day for classic car and motorcycle enthusiasts, featuring a range of engaging activities. From 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., visitors will have the chance to admire unique classic cars and motorcycles, participate in exhibitions, and connect with fellow enthusiasts. Additionally, the Wheels on the Waterfront event will be happening in Eastbourne on the same day, enriching the experience for attendees. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore classic vehicles, learn about their history and mechanics, and engage with the automotive community. A memorable moment at the Classic Car Exhibition, held at Ripley Castle, was when the precious classic cars departed from the display area. This event captured the attention of many classic car enthusiasts and automotive history buffs. Attendees could see a diverse array of classic vehicles, ranging from legendary sports cars to luxury sedans from past decades. Each car was not just a means of transportation, but also a work of art, carrying its own unique story and history. The event was not only entertaining, but also provided a wonderful opportunity for classic car enthusiasts to connect, share their passion, and exchange knowledge about the vehicles they love. The Traction Engine Rally will take place on August 10th and 11th, 2024, at Assal Park, Chelford, Cheshire, promising visitors a fantastic and enriching experience. As one of the standout events of the year, it offers classic machinery enthusiasts the chance to admire impressive traction engines and participate in a variety of exciting activities. The event program will feature impressive demonstrations, machinery exhibitions, and entertainment activities for the whole family. Notably, on Saturday evening, visitors will enjoy a dazzling fireworks display, adding to the vibrant festival atmosphere. On August 12, 2023, Assal Park hosted the Traction Engine Rally, one of the most prominent festivals celebrating steam engines and classic vehicles in Cheshire. The event attracted thousands of visitors and machinery enthusiasts, providing a fantastic opportunity to admire classic tractors, steam engines, and various other vehicles. Tickets for the event, which spanned from August 12th to 13th, were available for purchase online, making it easy for visitors to attend. The venue, located at Assal Park, Chelford, Cheshire, SK11 9AD, is a spacious and beautiful setting, perfect for outdoor activities. The event not only showcased classic machinery, but also featured a range of entertainment activities, from performances to food stalls, creating a vibrant and lively atmosphere for all attendees. The Fairford Steam Fair 2023 has officially returned after many decades, offering a vibrant and captivating event for classic car and steam technology enthusiasts. This event not only showcased classic automobiles, but also provided a wonderful opportunity for families and friends to enjoy a variety of entertaining activities. From art stalls to impressive car displays, the fair attracted a large number of participants. The weather on the event day was also favorable, allowing everyone to comfortably engage in outdoor activities. Additionally, the organizers worked diligently to ensure that every aspect of the event, from security to catering, was meticulously prepared. The return of the fair not only marks a milestone in Fairford's history, but also stands as a testament to the efforts of all those involved in organizing the event. Stockholm Car Meet is a premier automotive event taking place at Solvalla, Stockholm, on August 3, 2024. This event offers car enthusiasts a fantastic opportunity to connect and share their passion while admiring a wide range of unique and exciting vehicles. One of the highlights of Stockholm Car Meet is the Concours de Charme competition, where vehicles are judged and honored. The top 3 winners will receive awards, adding to the lively and competitive atmosphere of the event. In addition to enjoying beautiful cars, attendees can partake in a variety of other activities, including meet and greets, experience sharing, and family-friendly entertainment. Stockholm Car Meet promises not only a festive atmosphere, but also a chance to connect with like-minded individuals. For more detailed information about the event, including timing, location, and specific activities, you can visit the event's official website or follow its related social media channels. This will undoubtedly be a must-attend event for car lovers and automotive culture enthusiasts. In the wild forests, many abandoned cars have become strange relics, drawing the attention of explorers. These vehicles, which might include classic models that once roamed busy roads, now quietly rest amidst nature, overtaken by time and environmental decay. The sight of rusted cars covered in moss and weeds creates a scene that is both mysterious and poetic. Many have undertaken trips to search for and capture these moments, from artistic photographs to exploration videos, preserving the stories hidden within each vehicle. Abandoned cars are not just inanimate objects, they are witnesses to the past, reflecting the memories and journeys they once experienced. So, we've traveled together through fascinating stories from the Fukushima area with forgotten sports cars to upcoming exciting classic car and motorcycle events. Follow us to make sure you don't miss any exciting information in the future.